Welcome back to the another big match between Germany versus North Korea. The match has been started. Sane leading the ball. Nicely passed to Benjamin. This time Benjamin. Beautiful pass. But player was there. Nai. Nicely passed to Ju. Ju leading the ball. This time passing, but Benjamin was there. Musiala leading the ball. Passing to Anglo. Stiller. There was a mistake. Pyeon Chu is now hitting the ball. Beautiful pass. Pyeon Chu again. Sane passing to Kai Havertz. Musiala this time leading the ball. Nicely clear by the goalkeeper. Sane again passing to Musiala. Musiala passing towards. Again Stiller passing to Havertz. Directed and goal. The first goal just after 16 minutes by Kai Havertz. Magnificent executed by Kai Havertz. And brilliant passing strategy between the players. Germany 1, Korea 0. Nai, this time, Boogie leading the ball. Nicely passed, clear by the defenders. Nai again. Boogie passing to Ju. Again hit, but defended. Stiller, nicely clear. Kai Havertz again, this time leading the ball, passing to Sane. Let's see what will happen this time. Passing to Kai Havertz, and here's going, directed but touched the player. This time defended. Sane again leading the ball. Passing to Havertz, this time again defended. 33 minutes have been passed. Still Musiala this time. Directed but outside of the pole. Well tried by Musiala. 36 minutes have been passed. Still Germany is leading by 1 goal. And North Korea is trying their full efforts. Kai Havertz this time directed and goal. Just after 39 minutes, Kai Havertz did magnificent goal. No mistake, directly hit to the net. That is appreciated, executed by the Kai Havertz. Germany 2 just after 40 minutes. A big pressure is now built on North Korea. North Korea should have to make strategy. The first half is almost going to be completed. They should have to make strategy in the second half to achieve 2 goals to make the game equalizer. Nicely clear. Half of the time has been over. Second half has been started. In the first half, Kai Havertz did first goal just after the 16 minutes and the second goal just after the 40 minutes. 2 magnificent goal executed by Kai Havertz in the first half. Let's see what will happen in the second half. Beyond this time again directed but outside of the pole. That was the chance that North Korea missed it. Beautiful pass to Musiala. Wirtz. Again Havertz. Nicely picked by the goalkeeper. Only 30 minutes remaining for this game to be completed. And still Korea is on 0 points. Beautiful touch by Musiala. Leading the ball this time. Beautiful pass to Havertz. Direct hit but outside of the pole. Germany is not giving any single chance to Korean team players to attack over them. They are attacking at the start of the game. And they prove it by doing 2 consecutive goals. Again Musiala, this time leading the ball. Nicely touched, Kimmich. Passing to Wirtz. Wirtz. Musiala to Havertz. Wirtz again. Direct hit touch to the upper pole. That was pure goal but missed it. Well tried by Wirtz. Beautiful pass to Sane. Sane is leading the ball. There is a chance but outside of the pole. Each and every player of the Germany is contributed to achieve the goal. They are trying to attack. The time is over. Germany 2, Korea 0. Germany won this match.